Good morning everybody. Today is a super exciting day for Rob and me. It is the start of our journey to go and collect our new little puppy. So basically tonight we're going to be flying from Jersey to Edinburgh and then picking up a hire car tomorrow morning and then driving Edinburgh to Dumfries, which is on the other side of Scotland, and then we're going to be going Dumfries all the way down to Poole in the very south of England. I think it's probably going to be about an 11-hour drive, but it could be longer depending on like how many stops we take or sort of how the traffic is. So yeah, when we get to Poole, we're going to be staying with some of my family and there for a few days, and just kind of like, because probably just need a break after such a long drive. And then we're going to be flying. We've got a tiny little plane booked that's going to fly Rob, me and the new pup back to Jersey, where we'll start our new life as a little family. So yeah, going to keep you updated along the journey, but yeah, fingers crossed it doesn't take too long. Firstly, I've got to go to work today and then we're flying tonight, so I'll see you later. Last day before we go and get him. What are you thinking?
Thinking we don't have much time.
I know.
There he is. Need a hand, or are you alright? Hey. Hey buddy. We're home. Feel a little bit better. The only one to keep on playing.
So it has literally been the craziest 48 hours. I don't even know how long that trip was. The drive down was insanely long. It took us 16 hours in total to drive from Edinburgh down to Poole. A bit longer than we were expecting, but it was worth it in the end of the day. I'm absolutely shattered now. I'm going to get to bed. And yeah, I will do a video introducing the little man to you guys. He's absolutely adorable. I am so in love. Rob is so in love, and we are just having the best time so far. But I will be uploading a video soon where you get to meet him, and if you have any questions about the breed or about how he got back to Jersey, if you're bringing back a puppy, or anything to do with customs, we did have to pay duty on him. So obviously there's loads of legal stuff in terms of like you know, bringing animals onto the island that you need to check out. So if you do have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed the video.